Yeah, you can do that too.
Espen, it's your birthday.
Presentation.
Happy birthday, Espen.
Scroll down.
Espen, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Espen.
You're not even. You weren't.
I am recording.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
Say hi. That's Ashley right there.
Oh, look who it is. It's Titi's baby. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, handsome guy. Are you contemplating life right now? And why you're awake? Come give Titi some love.
Let me help you out, man.
Oh. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Look, it's Titi's baby. Look, buddy. Where you going? It's too early. It's too early. Buddy, what are you doing? Sam? You okay over there? No?
Are you hungry, baby?
Hug that mirror and love yourself.
What do you need?
So why are you laying there like that, bud?
Do you need something? What do you need, baby? Do you need kisses? You need chocolate? That's not gonna happen.
He said no.
What do you need chocolate?
You're my kind of kid if you wake up wanting chocolate.
Sugar's the last step. Yeah, the sugar's
Gross.
Yeah.
Said girl.
So that's Riley and Tyler.
How do you start out?
Okay, you don't
Just go to camera.
Now try it, Riley, your turn. Now, just, yeah, do a handful and slowly drop them in. Don't put your hands near the pot, babe.
Oh, that was caution to kids, and do not put your hands in the bowl, or the pot, or the pan.
For you guys, we're gonna walk down to the beach while Aspen gets ready. I'm so excited about my stabilizer. I can finally vlog like a normal person. Guys, you have to see this view. It's insane. Gorgeous. I haven't been here in 2 years. Isn't this insane, you guys? Like, look at this view. So I came here 2 years ago and I did not vlog, which I should have. So I'm making up for it this year and I'm vlogging. How do I zoom in? I'm not used to this camera, guys. Oh, there we go. Hold on. We're zooming in. Oh, there we go. Look at this view. Look at that. Let's zoom out. So yeah, I definitely should have vlogged this 2 years ago when I came, but I didn't. But it's just absolutely beautiful. Good morning, everybody. Just going for a nice little walk out here by the beach. Well, so clearly, I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, it's over there. There was a sign that said keep off the bluff, so clearly we don't want to die. So we're going to stay back. But yeah, this is just amazing. Like, I'm so jealous. I really should just live here. When I want to get away, this may be my new spot. Just coming out here to my best friend's house. I should do this more often. Look at this, you guys. Insane. They are really crazy. Like, they're really walking down there. You gotta be careful. I mean, I've seen people do it, but I would not, like, risk my life for a picture. This drop is serious. I don't know if you guys know how serious. Look at that. Like, heck to the no. So today is my best friend's birthday, and we are going to do karaoke tonight. I'm gonna try and vlog that for y'all, but I'm not sure. You know, sometimes we get wrapped up in the fun and you just forget to vlog, so I'm gonna try my best not to. I'm gonna charge my camera. I should have brought my extra camera battery, but I didn't. But I'm gonna charge it. Right now, we're just gonna go get some breakfast So I'm gonna head back to the house, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick view. Of course, I'll come out here more in the week and film more stuff for y'all. But I don't know how well y'all can see me because the lighting isn't that great. But I'm gonna walk back to the house now so we can get food. Aspen has a meeting, and then after her meeting, we're going to the store to get myself a breakfast sandwich because I'm hungry. My bestie has to go to work real quick. She has a meeting. So, and my nephew just went to the supermarket with his other Titi. So we're definitely gonna be cutest little supermarket ever. So adorable. Cute is this place, you guys? So cute. Little pumpkins. It's called DePaulo and Sons. So we're just gonna walk back to the house because it's literally in walking distance. But it's such a cute little place, or I'll show you guys. That's the name of it. Just out here walking around. I wanted to get you guys a really good view, so here it is. Just out here walking around. Zoom in down there for y'all.
I'm gonna do my vlog right now. Hello, ladies and gentlemen of the world.
How do I change this from being canvas to...
My name is Troy Kirby. Girl, I can see things in a whole nother level now.
What is happening?
I don't know what other social media that I would be doing. I've got LinkedIn, Instagram, Google, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest.
Hold on.
I knew I was forgetting one.
I could be a TV character.
What the fuck are you doing right now?
I'm experimenting with my.
It's Aspen's birthday.
Just a little bit of space.
Boo.
Hello.
Happy birthday, boo.
Thank you. I'm all.
No, you're 36.
Fuck you, bro.
26? It broke?
No. I'm just excited that I'm doing this right now instead of...
Makeup done. Aspen, I did Aspen's makeup, but she walked away.
Oh my gosh!
You gotta come show them your makeup. Look at you, beauty. Besties for life. Oh my god, that's such a good picture.
Yeah, where's your camera? You can take a picture. You could take it at the same time, can't you?
I don't know how to do all that. I ain't that equipped yet with this camera.
I'll show you.
I don't think so. Oh, well.
It's too short.
Are we ready?
No.
No?
Oh, Jesus!
Hurry up, the wax is getting everywhere.
Oh, you look so pretty.
Sister Spin, look at me.
Wax on the
One. Let's get this out of the way. 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. What was that? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aspina. Happy birthday to you. Let's do that over again. Bonk. Woo!
Yay!
Yeah.
Who wants some wax?
Clap it up for mommy.
Yeah,
It's a lot of wax.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Sound like oatmeal pie.
What? It's freezing. Birthday shenanigans about to go down. Oh, it is cold. What was I thinking wearing this? Wait, are we all getting in? Whoa, whoa. It's so windy. You guys want to meet my brother-in-law?
We in Cali. Yeah. Everything in moderation.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm
just filming yourself?
Yeah,
right?
I mean, why not?
I'm back come pie. Get some sake.
I'll get you guys on the next round of things you're about to do. Yeah, I didn't know what they were called.
Oh, I didn't start up. Hold on. I'm not ready.
Thank you everybody for being here.
We love you. Sam. Oh my god. How you feel, bro?
It's so weird. Weird ass like textures in your mouth. But it's good though.
How about you, Troy? We're about to go do karaoke. I changed my clothes because I didn't want to be dressed up. And it's cold here, so.
You know everybody here?
Yeah. Actually, no, Carrie. That's Cooper's mom.
It's gonna be a good time. Look at Sam in the corner.
You gotta get up here, girl. Bring your ass.
Aw, they're so cute.
I got something.
Aww.
We gon' function. No, it's
I never thought about using my phone in the light. We got the light. Clapping with your lid on your birthday.
So we have Jeremy, Nick, and Aspen. Y'all ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.